Industrial distribution is a tough business. We know because our software development began in 1983 at an industrial distributorship as a way to manage their unique business requirements. Over 36 years later, we continue our mission of developing software specifically for industrial distributors. We take pride in being the premier provider of ERP business management software for an exclusive niche. We don't want to be everything to everyone, and we cultivate and enjoy personal and mutually beneficial relationships with our customers. Today's successful industrial distributors provide a wealth of sophisticated value-added services. Not only do distributors need to track every component coming in and out of their warehouse, they need to track and manage each part and subassembly in complicated fabrication projects plus service and repair jobs. They need to be able to easily see the status of each component, whether it's on order or outsourced for additional fabrication services. They need to manage labor and easily calculate the estimated and final costs to know their true profit margin. TrulinX software is designed to meet these unique needs. When you invest in software by Tribute Inc., you not only get an ERP software tailored to your industry, you get a Midwest-based support staff that knows your company, your people, and what you need your software to do. And isn't that what you want from the company that provides your most important business technology asset?